Good evening. So here's my AI/ML project. So what this project is about NBA player shooting percentages. So first, we prepare and look through the data slightly over here. Then we clean and transform the data. So we fill in the missing values. You also see the distribution of the player field goal percentages. And with a correlation matrix to see how much each feature is related or affected by another feature. Then we clean and export the data. So now we use the machine learning models to predict field goal percentage. So we have linear regression, rich, and lasso regression. We use these three to predict the player field goal percentage. So we can see that the lasso coefficients over here. So rich and lasso use regularization. So we can see the summary of the findings. You can see that the error for the rich regression is the lowest, and it's the highest R-squared value as well. So we can see the model performance here, in here as well. So next we use, we predict if a player is an efficient player. So this is a classification part. So we use KNN classifier first. So we find the optimal K value, which is 9. Then using that, we get the metrics and the performance using a normalized confusion matrix. So we can see it classifies it correctly 74% of the time. Then the ROC curve as well. So now we use a KNN model again, but we optimize it using a grid search CV, grid search cross-validation. Then we can see it performs slightly better. So, and also the ROC curve, it performs slightly better as well. So now we use logistic regression. You can see it performs better than the KNN classifier, as well as when we optimize it. You see it performs better as well. So we have all the confusion matrices over here. So we can see that for the KNN models, the unoptimized KNN classifies the player if correctly 74% of the time and 78% when optimized, and 86% for both unoptimized and optimized. So this actually shows that the default logistic regression model is already quite optimized from the sklearn library. So that's good. We can also see the different ROC curves. So we can see that the logistic regression has the best ROC and AUC curves, the highest value, and also reaches 1 the fastest as compared to other ones. So to conclude, the ridge regression model is the best for predicting a player's field goal percentage because it provides the lowest error rate and the highest accuracy as well. So for the classification, we can see that the logistic regression model is better than the KNN model because it classifies the players more accurately compared to the KNN model. So that's why the logistic regression model is recommended. So these here are my references, and that's all for the project. Thank you.